Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Tell me something that it's been long that you, and it's obviously like a blessing in disguise, but we all wanted that long holiday where we can get some time for ourselves, our partners, थोड़ा सुकून मिल जाए काम से, थोड़ा अपने लिए मौका मिल जाए. But that phase has actually been so extended that अभी जाके frustration हो रहा है for a lot of people. Some people are able to deal with it successfully, some people are not. So what are you guys doing to keep your sanity of mind?
So we believe in constantly indulging in something new in terms of growth, or doing something as a team, or basically we've understood that sulking won't help, right? So might as well do something that's constructive, creative. We just bought new fitness equipment. We are I've just started learning. Me and my daughter, we started learning French. I personally started learning editing. Shweta has found time and a different routine for your workout with the stairs and the space in the building. So we are constantly,
actually, we are loving it.
Yeah, we're enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, I'm okay if we don't go out for a little more time.
That is actually the most honest confession ever, I think, in this entire period of lockdown.
श्वेता के हाथ, you have to understand this. श्वेता के हाथ रामू काका लग गए हैं बने बनाए. So घर की सफाइयाँ, बर्तन, ये सब करने वाला बंदा अगर घर पे बैठा हो.
यही I think that's the reason. Now I get it, ma'am. Why you don't want this to end and why you want this to end.
Inventing new ways of romance, right?
Yeah. I Love You has taken a completely new soap shape.
उल्टा पड़ गया अभी, पैतरा उल्टा पड़ गया अभी.
Yes.
But it's obviously it's really nice when we get to see such humorous side of couples who have been there for each other for a long time. But tell me something. Obviously you people have been there together for many years and you people know each other in and out. But no matter how much you know each other in and out, ऐसा कहा जाता है, मुझे नहीं पता लेकिन ऐसा कहा जाता है कि you never really know your partner entirely. ठीक है, कभी भी आप 100% आप अपने पार्टनर को नहीं जान सकते. So I want to know, sir and ma'am, कि ये लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में is there anything new that you discovered about your partner जो कि पहले शायद आपने रियलाइज नहीं किया होगा, अच्छा ये क्वालिटी भी है इसके पास, ऐसा कुछ है?
हाँ, श्वेता ने बहुत कुछ रियलाइज किया है मेरे बारे में. मैं कितना
actually it's a good question, and if you in my life, in our lives, I realize it constructively. I've always complained to him. We've been married for now we'll complete 15 years. That जगह पे चीजें नहीं, यहाँ पे वो नहीं. So it's been a constant struggle. And through this struggle, I figured okay, I think I need to shut up and move on. But what I really realized is that with no help at home, he's just taken over. Like I don't need to. He's like I'm OCD. You know what is OCD, right?
Yeah.
Obsessive compulsive disorder. So he's OCD in support. He does the dishes. He does cleaning up. He यहाँ पे कुछ रखा होता है, he picks it up. So I'm like, I hadn't seen this side of him. So I'm seeing that new side can be developed.
Shubho, the man knows how to maintain the sanity of the household.
And I wanted to ask you that. You have been playing so many diversifying roles for such a long time in your career, and अब जाके ये कुछ अलग ही रोल है जहाँ पे आप कुछ अलग ही कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हो, घर पे आप बर्तन साफ कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, वो कर रहे हो. तो how is it interesting or how is it boring? Please tell me, sir.
I think it's fun.
I want to know actually doing it, ना मैम. आपके लिए तो फन है, कर रहे हैं उनके लिए कैसा है, वो तो जरूरी है ना.
मुझे मेरे करियर के इनिशियल डेज याद आ गए शो. Where I brushed a couple of times with what we call exploitation. शोषण हो रहा है मेरा इस घर में.
Some serious words coming from sir.
गहन शोषण की अनुभूति कर रहा हूँ इस समय. But on a more serious note, I think it's a great opportunity for me personally to look at aspects that I have never seen myself in.
Yeah.
And on the role of a domesticated husband, for example, and why not try doing it? Try doing the dishes. I've broken a couple of bowls, but overall, I think I've improved a lot. The amount of water that I consume to wash the same amount of dishes has reduced. The soap consumption has reduced. So I'm improving. And I seriously feel that this is one aspect of growth here. इसमें घर पे अगर ये excitement नहीं होगी, अगर शाम को मैंने क्या आज मैंने इतनी 10 मिनट में बर्तन, वो excitement नहीं होगी तो फिर मैं I'll sulk and say यार ये lockdown, ये government कभी नहीं है, China कभी नहीं है, वो करूँगा फिर मैं, है ना?
I am doing my own dishes as well, but then I have never actually looked at it this way. I think I'm gonna do it from tonight. कि नहीं कल रात को मैंने 10 मिनट में किए थे, आज मेरे को 10 मिनट से कम टाइम में करना है. So I think it's a new form of excitement, right? So I'm gonna follow that, sir.
That's awesome. Awesome. Yeah, that's the way to go about it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow that. I've just never thought of it this way. I think it's really interesting.
That's how victory and joy,
Yeah.
they lie in growth and in smaller things in life, actually. So beautiful.
Correct, sir. I'm gonna follow that.
Someone's requesting to talk
तो
in
हाँ, हिंदी इंग्लिश हम लोग दोनों मिलके
ये
will balance it out.
हमारे चश्मे जो है दोनों के बहुत ही फैशनेबल, हम हिंदी में बात नहीं कर सकते, प्लीज. मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा, ये दोनों इनके चश्मे देखो, आप हिंदी में बात करेंगे.
हाँ. तो हम लोग हिंदी में इंग्लिश में बैलेंस करके विल फिगर इट आउट कि कैसे करना है. 3 लोग हैं यहाँ पे, बात कर लेंगे. बट इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट वी मेंटेन द बैलेंस एज वेल फॉर आवर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग ऑडियंस एज वेल. तो एक चीज मैं जरूर पूछना चाहूंगा, वो ये है कि यू पीपल नो ईच अदर, आप लोग काफी टाइम एक दूसरे के साथ रहे हो, एंड यू पीपल हैव बीन रियली सपोर्टिव एंड लविंग टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर, व्हिच इज व्हाई यू पीपल हैव बीन स्ट्रांग टुगेदर, राइट? लेकिन एक चीज मुझे बताओ कि इंडिविजुअली एज अ हस्बैंड एंड एज अ वाइफ, what have you both done differently for your partner in this entire period? I mean, ऐसा कुछ which you have purposely or consciously done differently for your partner to make him or her feel good?
So I'll tell you what, Shubho, it's a very beautiful thing that I'm going to share now. What is happening is every day when I wake up in the morning, we are early risers. We wake up early and we chant and all, right? When I wake up early in the morning, I see the sunlight coming from the window. And in this course of 2 months, I've seen the rays and the reflection in the house change the direction. Which means the sun is constantly moving. Right? वो हर रोज सुबह अलग जगह से उग रहा है, वो थोड़ा shift हो रहा है. Similarly, we also as individuals are constantly evolving. Right? So I think for me,
comparison.
I got a chance to acknowledge that evolution in Shweta as a friend sitting outside listening to her. पहले हमें इतना टाइम नहीं होता है, वो अपनी struggles अपने आप लड़ लेती है, वो अपनी दुविधा है, then she moves on. और मैं भी अपने struggles अपने आप चला के ये हुआ वो, फिर थोड़ी देर बात करके हम लोग आगे move कर जाते हैं अगले. But I think through these small things, I have been able to identify a lot of growth in Shweta, like her patience, which is something that Shweta and patience were different poles. She's become so patient nowadays, even with me. Like, believe me, in these 2 months, Shweta, after the 3 of us, has the least number of times lost her cool. है ना, कई बार होता है, अरे यार मैंने बोला तो उसे अभी just throw it sometimes. Shweta has lost her cool only once or maximum twice, I remember. And I'm thinking there's a major shift in Shweta as a personality. So I think these are the small things that I'm able to acknowledge, and that's what as a friend, as a husband, I can do for her. That's the best, besides washing dishes.
I thought it took 5 times, but I'm happy to hear that my husband doesn't remember the rest of the 3. I must.
He's. I don't know. It's actually important. Ultimately, the lady is the queen, right? So you got to balance everything. What you feel about him? Something changed, or what you have been able to do differently for him?
Like I said, I did not know this domesticated side of him, and he may joke about it that you have to keep the woman happy, but the woman is sharp. Women are sharp. They understand that is it being done to keep her happy, or is it really
Yeah.
being done because he feels the responsibility? He wants to share the load. Share the load. Yeah. So it was a surprise. Not that he doesn't do. He does. He does a lot. He's wonderful.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's.
I think her appreciation more than me has gone multifold for our maid, who hasn't been coming. now she understands that कभी कभी ना कोने से तो तुम भी नहीं निकालते हो झाड़ू ठीक से. So she understands that वो नीचे कोने तक जाके हर रोज अगर झाड़ू करना पड़े तो इतना आसान नहीं होता है. At least I have been able to appreciate that. But I think in these times to coexist, we have to keep up the life spirit and humor alive in the house. Otherwise, it'll be unhealthy for us, all of us.